Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. If you believe that success comes from hard work, not luck, you will never agree to work and wait for fate to spend the life will. Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all of you. I hope all of you are fine and enjoying good health. I am Asra Gulzar. Welcome in English class. My dear students, today we are going to learn about conjunctions and kinds of conjunction. So first of all, let's see what is conjunction. Beta, conjunctions are simply joining words that we use to link different parts of sentences together. It means that conjunctions are the words which are used to join words, group of words or sentences. Here are some words which are used as conjunction: and, but, for, because, nor, when, there, where, etc. Example: Jack and Jill went up the hill. Now here in this sentence, and is a conjunction which is joining Jack and Jill. Two words, Jack and Jill. The birthday presents were for you and me. Here and is joining you and me. Types of conjunctions. Beta, there are three types of conjunction: coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction and correlative conjunction. Now first of all, let's see what is coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions join words, phrases or independent clauses. You can also say that they join clauses of equal ranks. Now how can you remember the coordinating conjunction? You can remember by the word fanboys. So the first letter of each conjunction, when we join them, it becomes a fanboys word. So the first one is fan, F, for. This is a conjunction and it is used in a sentence. John bought a bottle of water for he was thirsty. A, and. Kelly loves cupcakes and donuts. No, and nor. They couldn't go to the mall, nor could we. B, but. Sandra likes oranges but not apples. O, or. Do you like coffee or tea? Why, yet the weather was very cold, yet we played in the yard. S, so. Luke was studying, so he stayed up late. So these are the examples of coordinate conjunctions. But our second kind is subordinating conjunctions. A subordinating conjunction joins a main clause to a subordinate clause. There are two clauses in a sentence, main clause and subordinating clause, and the conjunction joins these two clauses. Main clause plus subordinating conjunctions plus subordinate clause. I had to wash up even though it wasn't my turn. Now here even though is a conjunction which is joining main clause and subordinate clause. I was late for school because my bike had a flat tire. Now in this sentence, main clause is I was late for school, because is a conjunction which is joining the main clause, and the second one is subordinate clause, my bike had a flat tire. So subordinating conjunctions join main clause and subordinate clause. Beta, here are some subordinating conjunctions. Some subordinating conjunctions are used for comparison, like than, rather than, whether, as much as, whereas. Some are used for time, to tell time, after, as soon as, until, whenever, now, that. For concession, though, although, even though. Relative pronouns which are used to show the relation. Reason, some conjunction words are used for reason, condition, place, relative adjectives and manner. So these are the subordinating conjunctions. My dear students, our third kind is correlative conjunctions. A correlative conjunction is essentially a coordinate conjunction used in pairs. It means that the correlative conjunctions are always used as pairs in a sentence. A correlative conjunction gets its name from the fact that it is a paired conjunction that has a reciprocal or complementary relationship. Examples: not only but also. These are the conjunctions and they will be used as pair in a same sentence. They visited not only Germany but also Spanish. So both conjunctions are used. These conjunctions are used as pairs. What is needed to be done is not only to work but also to be patient. Mark works not only careless but also hasty. Neither the employees nor the boss was at work. Neither you nor I want to go to this part today, so let's not. Neither Mark nor his wife is very tall. Either today or tomorrow I must work. Either Alex or Samuel will go. I'll either write to you or phone you next week. So these are the examples of correlative conjunctions. I hope the conjunction will help to develop your spoken English and writing skills. Thanks for listening. Allah Hafiz.